Food is what everyone eats, but we want to make a food that everyone loves. Does not matter whether you're young, you're old, you like sourness, spiciness, or non-spicy, everything is here at Mikazuki. My name is Andy, and I'm the manager of Mikazuki Parramatta. The concept of Mikazuki is Japanese-style fusion cuisine that incorporates the flavors and styles of other different dishes from around the world as well to form what we call Mikazuki food. We try to serve food that's very trendy, very easy to eat, and also very cheap for people of all demographics. Mikazuki is a free judgment zone. You can choose anything from the menu, and also, if you like to modify your options, we are always flexible. We want to make a place and a food that actually makes the customers come again and again, and also bring their friends and family to this kind of location. I've always been a big fan of Japanese culture and Japanese food itself. I decided to want to work in a place where it actually has the essence of Japanese traditional food, yet we still have modern ways of improving the dish to give a new, unique modern flavor. That's Mikazuki culture. So tonight, guys, we're having our spicy sashimi tacos and our eggplant miso. Our spicy sashimi taco, we start with the taco shell, which is deep fried to give the crunchiness texture towards the dish. And then we put a slice of avocado underneath as a coating to give the juicy flavorness. We use our finely chopped up mix of sashimi, which comprises of tuna, kingfish, and salmon, which forms the taco itself. We top it up with kimchi sauce, and then we finish it off with a garnish of radish and chives. For our next dish, it's called the eggplant miso. We slice pieces of eggplants, usually 4, and we deep fry them with flour batter. This gives the crispy textureness to it, and once it's finished, it looks like a Japanese-style tempura. We top it off with miso and citrus sauce, which gives a nice, unique balance of sweet and sourness to the dish. To add more crunchiness to it, we add some rice arare balls, and then it's finished off with some shallots on top. And there you have it, the sashimi taco and the eggplant miso, which are two unique, beautiful dishes at Mikazuki Parramatta right here. Mikazuki has a taste for everyone to enjoy. Well, come down here and see you at Mikazuki Parramatta.